Hello, my most excellent babies. Today, I am unboxing this diamond painting from Jaded Gem Shop. Jaded Gem Shop. I don't know what that was, but today's Christmas when I'm filming this. It'll probably be Boxing Day for you guys in the Americas. Do you celebrate Boxing Day? I don't know. But we are going to be unboxing this beautiful skull kitty. OMG. I'm going to work on this one next, which is why I'm doing the unboxing video today, because I want to show you guys this before I take it apart and kit it up. So let's get into it. If you're new here and you like diamond painting, you like diamond painting accessories, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on whenever I feel like it. I was going to say on almost a daily basis, but it's just been whenever I feel like it. So here is a bigger thumbnail to this image. And we have our drills, 2 packages of drills. Here's 2 packages of drills, 1 of 1, 2 of 2. Wow, I love the colors, the pinks and blues. I think it's going to be so perfect. Okay, and then we also have a sticker sheet. So all the new kits that you order from Jaded Gem Shop are going to have this sticker sheet. Oh my God, Jade's stepping it up. She's stepping it up. So we have a bigger thumbnail, and then here's her logo. Very nice, very nice. And then here's the sticker sheet, so you can peel it. It looks like you peel off the number, the symbol, and the DMC, and then the quantity just stays on the sheet. So this will be what your sticker sheet is comprised of. Is that how you say it? Comprised? Whatever. Your sticker sheet comprises this. I don't know grammar. Anyway, so it looks like there's going to be 38 different colors, and all the symbols on here look good to me. Like there's none that look like they would look like another symbol and you'd get confused, but we'll look at the canvas and take a look. Oh, and we also have this. What is this? Is this release paper? I've never had this before in a Jaded Gem Shop. I think this might be release paper. Oh yeah, this release paper is very nice. It's very nice. This is release paper, so you get a few sheets of release paper if you're a release paper person. Okay, so I'm gonna roll the canvas backwards because I can do that because it is a poured glue canvas. I'm so excited about this canvas. When I saw she put up this artwork, I was like, excuse me, I need this right away. So here is our canvas. Wow. What a cute kitty. Oh my God. I love this. I love this. It measures, I believe it's 50 by 75 centimeters. Here's the symbol, the code again, and then you get the DMC and quantity on your canvas. 38 colors. This is a square diamond painting. Oh my goodness. And at the top we have Skull Kitty by artist Marlene Musiol. And then on the right hand side we have Jaded Gem Shop information. If you do want to follow them or go to their website, I'll put the information in the description box below. Wow. Look at this cat, guys. It's so adorable. When I saw this, I was like, I need this in my life. This is for me. Pan it up and down so you guys can see the full thing. Wow, I love it so much, Jade. Oh my goodness. And yes, I am friends with Jade, but I did buy this with my own money, and it looks like we have washi tape. I missed this. This fell out of here. So we also have some green washi tape, so that's interesting. That will be very useful. And let's take a look at the canvas up close. Yeah, let's do that. For some reason, I'm a bit rusty on unboxings. I don't know why. But okay, if you are a fan of Jaded Gem Shop, you know, or you have canvases from her, you know that there's lots of confetti in her images, but the confetti is well worth it. Like, look at this area. Oh my god. But there looks like there's also a good mix of some color blocking areas. For example, up here, there's some color blocking. But this is a good size. Like, I never want to work on anything bigger than 80, either 80 wide or 80 tall. The drill field looks good to me. The symbols look really clear. It's interesting, there's like a person symbol. That's funny. I've never had that before. But yeah, look at all this color blocking, guys. Look at all this color blocking. Oh, what did I get myself into? I'm so excited though, because I know this image is going to turn out great. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look at some of the drills. So here we have our 1 of 2 kit. And the drills come to us individually baggied like this. And I'll just flip through them. So lots of blues, pinks, and purples in this image. And then here is bag 2 of 2. Again, pinks, grays, some purples, lots of blues. And this is again 38 colors, and they're square. We're not even going to look at the quality of square because we know that Jade's quality of her squares are high quality. We know that her squares are high quality and they are resin drills. Yeah, I'm super excited about this one. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm very impressed that now there are label sheets. I probably won't kit up using these labels just because I usually number my containers 1 to 38 and call it a day, or 1 to whatever. And I don't kit up by DMC or by symbol or anything like that. But this is really helpful because I know a lot of you guys like kitting up by symbol. I really like that there were release papers. I will use those when it comes to spots where I have to put my elbow down on the canvas. And I love how the drills are packaged nicely in these baggies. If you guys have any questions about this diamond painting, leave them down below. Other than that, oh, here's a cat. There's a cat. Cat. Scruffy, do you like this? He walks away. Okay. And I like that her boxes have the sticker on the end now, so you don't have to open it up and see what's inside. You can just literally pack it away with the rest of your stash. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of this image. Is this something you would do? I know it's not for everyone, but like literally it is perfect for me, like very ideal. And I love the skull. I love the kitty. I love how the drills come, everything. So let me know what you guys think of this down below. Do you have a Jaded Gem Shop diamond painting? What are your thoughts on it? Do you have one or do you not have one and you have one on your wish list? I want to know which one is on your wish list. Comment down below and let me know. And if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.